Benan Sanine and some ahudu bi emema man ho so akra na watwi mu na eye NPP kasamafo a ono ewo eye Sunyani East empesua no so eye Abubakar Yakubu ye baba Amando prusifo kokoche no na enra abeto dwase abante no ya remanding 2 weeks se onko twire kukum se be ya prosifo betumi ayo mu hwehwe mu na ebra oko no eni omu free court wo no mbese wo hwe bibi kakra na utie nsem so a ne lawyer na fedom kuma enso banu dani akeka hwewe ewo Facebook Iria ehun asem no meka in the hands of obetumi a join here Facebook Nhyira 104.5 na wabehwe said ye eneda so live on Facebook na behwe de ekoso ewo ho na ensem a ono so ede tudwa in the hands of God. We are all in the hands of God. President Mahama, one day we will all be judged by our words. I said I am not better than J.B. Dankwa. Travesty of justice has happened. Remember Ghana, you read about J.B. Dankwa. J.B. Dankwa gave his life for this country. I am not better than him. President Mahama will pay someday. God is greater than him. Travesty of justice has happened.
It's okay.
Fine. We will live indeed in the glory of the Lord because we are all in the hands of in the hands of God. We are all in the hands of God. President Mahama, one day we will all be judged by our words. I said I am not better than J.B. Dankwa. Travesty of justice has happened. Remember Ghana, you read about J.B. Dankwa.
Enti baba Amando na wote se okasa na otiem eka wo ho se mampani ade a oye no ne o kire ne displeasure che se nani anye ho no na ne lawyer ni a wogina mu ma no ye Nhyira South emrahye bedwani na bafo ewu na yentie no kakra.
My 16 years of practice, I've never publicly criticized a judge. Never. It is never my practice. It's not something I want to do. I am always reluctant. I defend the judiciary. But in this instance, I think that Justice Joseph Kunsun, very respectfully, the only thing different from him is that he's not wearing an NDC flag or paraphernalia. That is the only thing that distinguishes him from a member of the NDC. This is so bad. I've never seen it before. A judge, look, let me restrain myself. It's so bad. Never. In my whole 16 years, I've never ever criticized a judge. But I have seen a judge who the only difference between himself and a member of the NDC is that he's not cladded in an NDC.
So could this be some directive from the top?
I don't know, but right, a judge is supposed to be an independent-minded person. I'm so surprised. The only thing which is different, which is
Anyway, lawyer ni a wogina mu edema baba Amando na oche se the 16 years of practice no ohun judge bi say that na there are a lot of things are cause minority leader and so kra akasa a wono ochire mu se aprosifo kra a womo eche baba Amando no a kwaduboni a woye prosini a wogina mu a ohwese wono mo court no be ha ka asem no so womo pese womo koye nhwehwemu na court no bisa se ye money bail na onko ana kwaduboni no ekire se oni problem na nso judge no ko so se ye mfa no nkotum kokumu na wotwi mienu. That is a statement from the minority leader. Na edian NSC bra Facebook we ni ade a baba Amando ye. Or the week share mampeni John Dramani Mahama. ɛna wɔde wig ɛhyɛ Sam George ɛna wɔde wɔn mu mfonyini so a wohwɛ Felix Ofosuko akyen so a ɛno deɛ na wɔnhyɛ wig mum na mum chain ɛna egu ne kɔn mu ɛna Sam George so chain egu ne kɔn mu a ɔde Ghana colours ni bi ayɛ suit ahyɛ mu na we ɛyɛ na ɛyɛ generated yɛbɛka ne sɛ yɛde computer ɛna ayɛ efidie badwen ba na ayɛ no wɔde generate the timid artificial intelligence AI create timid develop saa no me ɛna baba Amando de ato ni page nti uba Facebook abɛhwɛ ade sei nete nti ubi a unhu de ɛkɔso a ɛno nie ɛna watchro them and the society no wɔde asoso na enchiremu ne sɛ saa de we nti just screen for me saa de we nti ɛna wɔn ɛkye baba Amando nti uba Facebook a ɛna da hɔ no this is the reason na Ghana ha no yɛhunu ma bebree a etwam na yɛwɔ bibi a frɛ no misinformation ɛna disinformation na yɛka misinformation no a ɛde sɛ bibi a ebia nokore enim saa de no nokore enim but ebia mimi hu ye no ma nya mi nhwehwemu wase yie na ebia meme de ichini ana me share unknowingly eno che se minimu nokore but ade no so a me share no so nya nokore enti ema me misinform nkrofo a ebia omutie me ana omuhwe me eno no nkyirase no no ene ye what disinformation eno nso ye se asem no a wode kwa abonti ana de wo ton no se ye picture wo se ye de na de kwa abonti o enye no kre unimpa se enye no kre but wo bo wutri mu po is intentional se wo be ye saa de no na ebia strategically wo de achieve bibi ebia te se wo de begu obi animu ase ana se wo de be sesamanfo adwene e wo bibi ho na ekoba ne se ya te se baba Amando de se wo editi obi picture na wo de wig e de ahye no na wasesa no e de ato abonten mamanfo ebe susu se se ne obi hu a ebi kra ono a wonim computer wonim de no ebi a onwene kra se we de obi na ahye da yesa obi na da ben na mahama share wig na Sam George so se wo share wig nti wo se obi a won hye da nim de wo abefo no ma abamu no obegye di se ebi a sese no sebe ni nyina we nyina na fantumu ho nsem ho no sebe mprediasa LGBT ho no obedwen se na ne wo mu hyem bia na so these ones are defaming and answer ye ade bia na empempi no etimi ko wiase a egu nipa ho fin na se koba ne se enoma bi egu nipa ho fin ananse bibia obi ede kwa abonte a enye nokre eye false publication no a Ghana mra ekre kwan a saa no mani nyina ese faso na ade ye defamation ananse ade egu obi ho fin eno mostly nipa na egu ne ho fin no at the court na court ware na nipa no asem o kan no wa kire mu adansedie na saade we eta akoso nye ne na ehase in the past ye won krofo a ya chi wo mu won sem bi o maka no kurenim ene ye false publication wa kan sem bi a no kurenim na sansem no aso no no kurenim no esa gu obi animu ase difamu obi saade we no ye hu nyina obi ho a na de court na wakope hu muaye ye hu bebiri politicians yesi na ekoba na manyosemu a ye hu se amanyofo no nkanka wo mu a tumi ebedi wo mu nsem no enta makwan se wo mu asem ne fa wo mu ho no betu anamo na mum ye taa de tumi no eta ehunahuna ana eta ata wo mu a edi sa adwuma yi uba in the past ye wo nsentrofo bebiri a ye chi wo mu gu mu a ye ka ho asem wo kuromu ha anase ye de prosifo etata wo mo nsem bi o mo ka ye ho a ye kan ho asem wo kurom ase saa no ma ekoso no enye in the lives of Captain Smart Bobia and Sanom ne maami bi kura achese ono nso ekoka asem ono kura ne yesi efre no maami wedin Salamatu Mohammed on the daso yi nimfo nyini na daso no betimi abewe in 2022 yehu saa no ma nyina se ekoso and we condemned ede ne siye se wo hwe asepa papa yi a wo hwe Infiniwe Asepa Mensa Thompson, Executive Director de Alliance for Security, Equity and Public Accountability. Ono ne de was say, na waka asem bi se na nado dan kwa Akufo-Addo ne nabusuafo. Wo mo de Falcon years jet eko UK akogye wo mani a chese Christmas shopping om koye nya agro. Asem o kan no. Ese a false publication. Enti no ye beche no. Na eko wiase na omo che no no. Actually, no money bill with 50,000 Ghana cedis. A happening on January 7, 2022. Now, Bobia and Sanso de Ononsuni de was about a landia, also Rebecca Akufo-Addo, aviation for landibi, Rebecca Akwaji Afa Banya Sasibi, and also one more treno. Na media general Captain Smart, that time no media general, a honoa. Ena, Okase Akufo-Addo Kagalamse. Na on oye galamse eno so ye beche no na ma ohini babu amanso eka ho ono so ne de ono kra de 14 days when say in prison after being found guilty of contempt of court was a odi wieye ena okoka an wasem say Supreme Court judges no o ma ye decision o ne Akufo-Addo ahia say o be influence 2020 presidential election petition no eno so ye befa no na ensemo kanokure bia enim na ne ekoso nyina no mebo we nyina so de abekama asem ne ekoso nyina no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama on February 11 2022 at the asem we beto ni Facebook page ono ane page ni o say dear President Nana Akufo-Addo, I'm appalled at the growing criminalization of speech and journalism in Ghana under your watch in the 21st century. In this 21st century. Or see an investigative journalist was murdered under very troubling circumstances. Yet while the Ghanaian people and the international community have demanded justice, government's inability or unwillingness to act is obvious to all. The police have virtually shelved the act or can same baby or ye be chaso. Na Oka metsuale asemo esi ya na nado danko Akufo-Addo enye ho hwe that time na oka radio presenter Captain Smart Jeff Peja kwa ni mumame osi radio and TV presenter Captain Smart was dragged from court and although he had been granted bail sent into detention. Another radio presenter Ohineba Boa Mabaini has been incarcerated for statements he allegedly made. A civil society activist was arrested, detained, sent to court on criminal charges, granted bail, and yet detained again for making a statement against you, President Akufo-Addo. We Mahama statement too. As if to suggest insincerity behind the serious decriminalization of speech that you led, another radio presenter, Bobia Ansa, has been arrested, detained and charged, criminalized for speaking and making allegation against your wife. Again, last week, security personnel linked to your party brutalized a radio presenter. And Wakaya. Last paragraph, I say, President Akufo-Addo, you cannot continue to oppress the people. You cannot continue to oppress the people, criminalize speech, when these matters are essentially civil in nature, if you feel offended by them. Me repeat you only be. President Akufo-Addo, you cannot continue to oppress the people, criminalize speech, when these matters are essentially civil in nature, if you feel offended by them. Now, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Asema all Kenyana was about Captain Smart Ayachi Bobia and Samoni Adia Midi Kanka the Intia Chi Omuni na achire wo se. O se de chi ayachi wo no. Enya de ye papa. Because Ghana ha no ye wo free speech obi atimi ka na asem na mmom wo ka asem no na eye offend obi a anase a offend onu Akufo-Addo mpo a eye civil in nature etwa se eko court na court no ahwe ho asem ka na mmom se ye betata nipa no ye de police be kɔ ne ye kɔkyere ne ade ne de. That was a problem Mahama saw then. Na ye hawa Mahama hu ye brebi atwam. But unim power to me etumi treki nipa. To me etumi treki nipa. Enu nti ne makan we nyina eye mampani John Dramani Mahama ono wa ni page. Says wo hwe ni yi. Because saa de we ya esi kane atwam no. Mampani John Dramani Mahama, you were not happy. Now unim ye wan this if one be on beta echire oh ya cheno nti den ya yesi eden na almost support. But at the end of the day, they are the silent masses e wo fam a omo no mo ye quiet omo ni amanyokuo bia mu enti obeka se NPP ni ka dia ono ye ni nipentia NDC ni support so wo no NDC ntia but ye won krofo ye silence a omo ne kura make decision wa batum. They hate some of these things, especially when it comes to say ye wo to mean to ya abuse power, which are some of the acts Mampeni Waude to Facebook page and when in February 11, 2022. Say Sam George Fellis, one more feeling offended by that picture no. Na enyesa Rambo style arrest na yede kwachi ni free sunyane straight on to nkran. San woman say no time twam ese reset ba ese ye jai san woman we no. Said this is an offense here. He could be sued. Mo sue no court for defamation. Ana bibia. Court no was saman no. Na wa ma. Ya serve no notice a wa ma no de. Court bet me a order ami akɔkye no. Ebi kura mo serve no notice and we happy a court. But first instance na ye say ye wo tumi nti ye nkɔkye no. Ni enkyere ni bibi kakra na ase che say odwene ho a wonte politicians ase. Because law na criminalizes free speech no. I will be created do attempt ni say ya criminal libel law no. Ya repeal long time ago. Over a decade ago. And it is a one tiasia is civil in nature. Ubetumi de na court. Osi udi wia. Na nipa na ampie court betumi ama order. Ni akɔkye no. But first instance ye nkɔkye no as if say a criminal act bi a ano ɔden pa. Awu said ye two meet me tricky amanyofo. Me kyerɛ say mampani complaining ye under Akufo-Addo on the Facebook page. And me read the and it seems like they are repeating the same thing. A course one. But we've seen worse things like this before. Yehunu ma bebrea. Sam George mamemo ne voices ni bi kyerɛw. Edu baby. In fact, we crowd ye na koye atemdidi a egu mampani Akufo-Addo mfi. Se mampani ya say abofra akwada ketwa a kyerɛ sɛ you just listen to him.
Pumped spoiled kid. What did you say? Our president is an over-pumped spoiled kid. What did you say? Our president, Nando Akufo-Addo, is an over-pumped spoiled kid.
You're calling? Wait. You're calling our president a kid?
Oh, he's behaving like one.
He's being like one. Sam George on the national television on Joy News or Kai host to cracker. Hey, oh, Fred President akwada sebe ya jeje no swama na say. No say sir. Na mampani na wo kasa no. O say ai sa no tie. He's been like one. Akwada ya jeje no swama na say. Now, Sam George 17th October 2024. Or see you are beginning to appear like a supporter of LGBTQ. Sam George to Akufo-Addo. And there were many more a course. But say empo for now, Baba Amando de Yawayi, you feel that a offender personally a defamua. This is civil in nature. Yawo news outlets national news outlets ahodoɔ a any platforms wa ɔmo use these particular cartoons ni ade de represent mpanimfoɔ bi ni ade de communicate no maybe. In fact me wɔ mahama de bi dead goats syndrome a ɔka 3 news for edit ɔmo ayi ɔmo ye ni say hwema mpani ni aye na funu kutu ene okura doma machine odi betwa yi ena sekan ehye ayi aponche no ni nchemu so ahu no we ma design no kenoforia tanso die ni bra ɔkɔ ya OSP pen no hwede aye na funu yese wo yade nti ɔma ye cartoon a ɔma huhuru na funu ni nyina na nanum no kyese wutumi say in fact obi a watrope no ɔmo dey represent no. And if he feels offended, say design we be a 3 news for a way a good mufia and as I said, he just have to sue them. I don't just a police in called Rambo style. Ye kochini panai. It's abuse of power. Yenjai sano mano. Yenjai sano man. Usi unina mredino. Ni asi mfano kotum 10 years kwa. Ghanaians will support it because why are they enye na court no who say enye. Me am against the arrest. And then Supreme Court to cry kase even murder cry yema bill. So what is actually happening? Munre no maybe you. Munre no maybe ye. Munre no maybe ye. Na di here Ghana for no. Enye we. Ni here Ghana for pa say no. Enye we. Enye some of these things. The here Ghana for no a dose one and you will be. So it's very important say mampeni muheni there are more pressing issues. And the recruitment in one sem na ye bibia you know and na man for bre youth no ne teacher for ko be porter. Yes see atum because Haruna ese wono nankasa no offer 50,000 wako promise and so finance minister so bet me for 7,000. To ye no hwie nye so ma apply crab 40,000. These are the concerns. There are imminent fuel crisis. Prices, no. These are the worry of this country. And somewhere here, as of my see a general no. Now we need a question a petty politics, a petty, but very very petty politics. Oh, so overreact as a politician. One you bet damage or public trust, and they are very important. The goodwill, nipa ewoma the NDC no. You must be very careful. I was anamotu no. Insurance 04.5. Ebusuya meba.
Insurance 104.5.